All right, so here's just a quick little video. If you own a 4.0, in this case, this is in a Jeep Cherokee. It's a 96. It doesn't matter as long as it's a 4.0. You're gonna have the same style of a oil cap here. So this is what mine did. So basically, this thing snaps on, right? And I was trying to turn this to get the cap off while it was warm and everything. And I heard like a little snapping sound, and then it just kept turning. Just like that. And I was like, oh crap, what do I do? So I looked up a YouTube video, looked up some tutorials, and apparently if you take this little cap off here, I just got a small little flathead, put it under there and then pried it off. This little cap will come off, and inside was the spring. The spring's supposed to be up here, and so was all the yellow, and it just completely shattered for me. So what I did, there's a little bit over here that I already pulled out, but it was just all sitting down in there, so it completely broke. So from here, what you're going to do to actually get the cap off is hopefully you'll have this part, this kind of lip. If you do, that's good news. What you'll do is you get your channel locks here, pliers, whatever, just grip onto here, and then you should be able to turn this. You might have to wait when it's cold. Normally it comes off better when it's cold, but once you get that off, just got to make sure that you can get it off. And then I'm going to order a replacement off of Amazon, and let's show you. Oh, there we go, got it on camera. Check it out right there. So this ratcheting mechanism that was in here just completely snapped. I'm going to get one off of Amazon. That's a solid piece of plastic, doesn't have any ratcheting bull crap, and I'm gonna put it on here and see how it works. So I'm gonna go and order that part now and see how it fits, and I'll give a link and stuff to that in the description. All right, so it's now the next day. Last night is when I broke the oil cap, so I went ahead and got on CarQuest and I ordered this replacement oil cap. Now this is one that I read on the forums that actually works for this the 4-liter. I'll go and flip it around here. I got the model number right there. You see there, it's 10-111-10111 right there, oil cap. It's CarQuest branded on their website. I believe it's a I want to say a Dorman, but I don't believe it is. No, it's a Stant. That's what it is. I believe the CarQuest and the Stant, they're the exact same part. They're just under different brand names. So I ran down there. I ordered it online, ran down there, picked it up, and I actually installed it in the parking lot. I just took it out of the box. It came with a little O-ring. I slipped it over right there, and then I simply screwed it on, and sure enough, it fit perfect. Absolutely no problem at all. Make sure it's tight so then no oil comes out. And just like that, it's on, it's installed. I drove with this new oil cap today for about 30 miles and there's no oil anywhere, so it's working, it's sealing perfectly fine. So if your oil cap breaks on your 4-liter, just pop off the little yellow cap. Again, I did it by getting a screwdriver and just prying the cap off. Then you get like pliers, grab onto the actual oil plug, if you want to call it, itself, unscrew it, go out and buy a new one and just screw it on, and then boom, it's fixed. So pretty easy fix. It's unfortunate that it happened, but apparently it's a fairly common thing. So there you go. That's how you fix the broken oil cap on the 4-liter inline 6.